Namaste, you are listening to Prem Anmol Hota Hai Vani. I am your host, Vani. In the last episode, Rishil gave the good news that Swapnil is coming to India. Today, you will hear the peak of my separation agony, the unbelievable solution given by Alka ma'am that resolves all my worries, and the mysterious reason why Swapnil is leaving America for India, a philosophical and shocking reason. The fire of separation and sweet imaginations. Impatience. Rashil's information caused a stir in the calm lake of my mind. I imagined apologizing to Alka ma'am for wasting time in vain excuses. The extreme of love, I felt like a species of swan, penguin, or wolf, who choose only one partner for a lifetime. In separation, my condition became like that of a restless swan. The meaning of life, I felt that living life as Swapnil's wife is the true significance of my existence. The solution and Buaji's new relationship. Declaration of the remedy. As soon as Swapnil reached India, I became restless, but Alka ma'am's call didn't come. Finally, her call came the next morning. Vani, a way out seems to be emerging. I feel all your worries have been naturally removed by Swapnil's love for you. Formal proposal. Ma'am informed me that Swapnil and she would soon come to our house to ask Papa for my hand in marriage. A new relation. Ma'am also gave an instruction, now start rehearsing to call me Bua. Drop the ma'am address for me. Papa's secret. I asked if Papa knew. Ma'am revealed the secret. Neeraj ji and I have been discussing this for the past few days. Rest assured, he knows everything. Swapnil's philosophical return. Papa and Swapnil. Papa said he wanted to tell me only when everything was certain, and that Swapnil doesn't want me to be troubled by any uncertainty. Shocking video. Rashil sent me a video in which Bua, Alka ma'am, and Swapnil were talking. Competence in motherland. Swapnil said, Vani's resolve to stay in India is right. The service and contribution of a talented girl like Vani should be given to India and its society only. Self-criticism. But when Bua asked why he was coming to India, Swapnil gave a philosophical answer. Living in America, I had started following the bad trends of society. I had relations with multiple girls just to satisfy my lust and cravings. I am not a useful person for my motherland. Is Swapnil coming to India considering it useful for his motherland, or is he running away from the repentance of his past? Why does Bua disagree with his philosophical return? And will he stay in India for his wedding? Separation, secrets, and the final turn of a philosophical love story in Prem Anmol Hota Hai Vani. You will hear Episode 64, A Restless Swan in Separation, Mysterious Remedy, and Swapnil's Philosophical Return. That is a good thing. Tell me, how is Parushni? I am being stingy in expressing my happiness. Is it just a good thing or a very good thing? I feel like you must be beaming with joy inside right now. Fine, if you don't want to say it, don't. Parushni is good. She wants a nice girl to become her aunt very soon, Rashil said. A nice girl. I repeated Rashil's words, which are teasing me. She is small now, isn't she? How can she understand what is in yours or Swapnil's heart? Rashil says while laughing. She switched the camera to show Parushni playing in the crib. This conversation has been brief. Rashil hung up saying she has to feed Parushni milk. This information given by Rashil proved to be like a stone thrown into the calm lake of my mind. Like the circular ripples created in the lake water, thoughts and imaginations began to expand in circles within my mind. I am wishing ma'am would talk to me once again about Swapnil and my marriage. I will tell her, please complete this auspicious work as soon as possible. If she asks, would you go and live in America with Swapnil? I will say, yes, I will go and live wherever you say with Swapnil. If she asks me, when you go to America, how will your papa live? I will say I have faith in you, you will ensure all facilities for him. Let her ask at least now, are you ready to marry Swapnil? I will say 1,000 times, yes, I am ready at this very moment. Then I won't let her say anything. I will tell her, ma'am, my body and soul are eager to merge into Swapnil's existence. I have been late in saying yes. I have allowed these days, these months to go waste in vain excuses. If I hadn't stayed so simple-minded in America, I would be enjoying swimming in the pool of happiness right now while giving pleasure to Swapnil. I would say, I feel Swapnil and my togetherness is not of this birth, it has been for many births and will continue in every birth to come. I would pray to her, ma'am, call Swapnil today itself. My condition has become like a restless swan in separation. I feel like I am a human belonging to the species of swans, penguins, or wolves among living beings. These creatures choose only one partner for a lifetime. They are dedicated and loyal only to that one. I have become extremely sad. I wish I could get wings like a hawk so I could fly at high speed and reach Swapnil. I haven't reached Swapnil in reality, but I have fallen asleep and then in my dream, Swapnil has come with me. Such a condition of mine has never happened before today. The next day I have become composed to a great extent. I am also laughing and happy at the memory of the separation agony I experienced last night. That is the peak state of love for someone. Only Swapnil's influence is on my mind. Surely our meeting will be possible when Swapnil comes to India. Not only this, it will be possible to finalize our marriage through this. Now I have started waiting impatiently for Swapnil's arrival. My days are passing while fulfilling my school and family responsibilities. At night before falling asleep, I get time to think in solitude on the bed. Spending days like this without being with Swapnil is just wasting my time. I think and remain distressed every night. I feel that living life as Swapnil's wife is the true significance and utility of my life. Fulfilling my responsibility is also my nature after all. Swapnil has come to India. He told me this as soon as he stepped on Indian soil. I want to talk more. Swapnil laughingly said, I have to complete formalities at the airport, and kept the conversation brief. Alka ma'am must have sent a car to receive Swapnil. If ma'am had told me, I would have gone to the airport too. I am getting restless thinking this. I have been waiting for ma'am to ask me to come for dinner. Ma'am's call hasn't come. Because of not being able to meet despite Swapnil being close, I felt another day has passed in vain. I had no control. In fact, everything happens exactly as it is supposed to happen. Things happening in the way we thought while doing them deliberately is a coincidence. If we think that something happened because of our doing, it is just our illusion. Finally, Alka ma'am's call has come the next morning. Vani, a remedy seems to be emerging. I feel all your worries have been naturally removed by Swapnil's love for you. Now no problem is going to arise for you from your marriage with Swapnil, Alka ma'am has informed. I have become extremely eager by now. I am ready to marry Swapnil by giving up all my conditions. I am thinking of fixing the problems later. I am wondering, is any remedy so simple, which was found in just one day? Ma'am, what remedy has been found? Along with being happy, I have also become very curious to know. Everything will be told to you. Don't worry, in a day or two, Swapnil and I will come to your house to meet Neeraj ji and you. We will ask Neeraj ji for your hand for Swapnil according to our culture. And yes, now start rehearsing to call me Bua. Leave the ma'am address for me. Ma'am's voice seems full of tenderness. Now this has become a new problem. How will we be able to welcome ma'am and Swapnil at our house? Thinking this, I have become uncomfortable. Bua ji, we ourselves will come to your house. You will have trouble in our house. I have clarified my hesitation. I have learned from Swapnil's words, for him the importance of your truth and simplicity is paramount. That is, for him, that house in which a girl like you was brought up also holds importance. Still, if you wish, keeping your wish paramount, we will do this auspicious work at our house. And yes, Vani daughter, I really like hearing Bua from your mouth. Ma'am's voice is full of happiness. Should I tell Papa about this too? So that he can also be mentally prepared, I questioned. Neeraj ji and I have been discussing this for the past few days. Rest assured, he knows everything, ma'am revealed the secret. When the call is over, I am thinking, are all humans like this? On occasions they become so deep that it is not possible to fathom their minds. Papa and ma'am have been talking about my marriage for so long, and neither of them let me have a clue. Papa, you and Alka ma'am have been talking about my marriage. While talking to Papa, my voice has become complaining.
I wanted to tell you only when everything was certain. Swapnil doesn't want you to be troubled by any uncertainty, he is saying while being a good papa.
That there could be talks between Swapnil and Papa too, I cannot even imagine. This has become another mystery for me. I felt hesitant to ask more. Alka Bhatia will now be Bua for me, not ma'am. This result is coming out in my favor. I am feeling very elated. Just then Rashil sent me a video. While looking at the mobile, I have moved towards my room. Papa probably thinks I am hiding my shyness. I watched the video. In it, Ma'am and Swapnil are seen talking.
Vani's resolve to live in India is right. I think, actually, the service and contribution of a talented girl like Vani should be given to India and its society only. This is her motherland, Swapnil said like a philosopher.
Doesn't the same argument apply to you too? When America is your motherland, why do you want to come to India? Boer asked him.
Vani is giving an excellent message to her disciples and society through her life values. While it's different for me, living in America, I had started following the bad trends of society. I had relations with multiple girls just to satisfy my lust and cravings. I haven't been able to give any excellent message to my society. Therefore, I am not a useful person for my motherland, Swapnil answered.
One who returns home in the evening is not considered lost. You have corrected your mistake. Now you have become a good boy. Now you should stay in your country America itself. Boer is speaking while disagreeing. Gemini's critique, creative guidance, and presentation instructions. Dear listeners, episode 64 is an emotional earthquake. The contrast between Vani's imagination and reality makes this episode exciting. Swapnil's revelation has completely changed the direction of the story, making the upcoming events even more complex and interesting. The imagery of the hawk and the swan perfectly captures Vani's psychological state. The twist regarding the Boer relationship adds a beautiful layer of family bonding. Episode 64 ends.